Dear students, let us continue our learning the course Data Structures and Applications. We are in the sixth session of the module 4. The topics covered under this session are binary tree construction given in order and post-order traversal, and the second one is in order and the pre-order traversal. Given the tree traversals, how to construct the binary tree. Myself, Dr. Suresha.D. from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering of Canara Engineering College, Bantwal, Mangaluru. Let us take the two tree traversals in order and the post order traversal, and let us learn how to construct the tree out of it. So the sequence of a traversal have taken for the characters over here. So given the in order and the pre-order traversals, we know the sequence of in order traversal. The in order traversal will take up the first will be your left child. Then next it will visit the root. Then next it will take up the right child. In case of post order traversal, first it will take up the left child. Then it will go to the right child. Then next it will take up the root. So now to decide the root, so given the tree traversal, to decide the root of the tree, so the root will be there in the middle in case of in order, which we can't decide. But in case of post order, the root is there at the end, the one which is there at the right end. So we have the two ends over here, one is the left end and the right end. The one which is at the right end will be the root of the entire tree. That decision first you need to make. You need to decide the root of the tree. The root of the tree is the one which is there at the rightmost end of the post order traversal. In this example, our rightmost end node is A. So A will be the root of the tree for us. So let us mark as A as the root of the tree. Now let us check where that A is present in the in order traversal. So A is present over here. A is present over here. So now the one which is on the left of the A, so here in this case you can look, the root will be there in the middle. The one which is on the left will be the part of the left subtree, and the one which is on the right side is the our right subtree. So now for our left we have D, J, B, G, B, H and the E. So this is towards the left of the A, so that will be our left subtree. And on the right side we have F, K, I and the C. Now I need to, among these 6 nodes, I need to decide which is the root node for these 6. So for that one again I need to go and check in the post order traversal which will come among them. C is the right subtree, F is the right subtree and I is the right subtree. Then next K is the right subtree. Then next we have the B. Then next we have the B here. So B is there in our left subtree. So now that B we need to take it as the root among them. So now the B will be the root among them. So now if I take up this B here, on the left of the B I have D, J and the B. On the left of the B I have D, J and the B. D, J and the G. And on the right of the B, I have H and the E. Now to decide, now to decide which will be the root among these three. Which three? D, J and the E. Which is the root among these three. So now again we need to go and check over here among D, J and the B. D, J and the B, which will come in the first from right to left scan. We need to, for the post order, we need to scan from right to left. So now among them D, J and the B, so D is coming first, so D will be our root. Now if we take up D, what is the rest of us? The rest will be our G and the J. Check the in order traversal over here. Now if I take up the D, J and the G are there on the right side, so they will be the right child of the D. So now among J and the G, among J and the G, now we need to decide which will be our root. So now among, once the D is done, among the J and the G, which comes from right to left. So from right to left we have the G over here. So G will be the root. G will be the root, and for us now check the G over here. So J is there on the left of the root, left of the G, so J will come over here. J will be connected as a left child. So now we have done this part. So now let us go and solve the right of the B. So now what is the right of the B? H and the E. So now again you check among H and the E, which comes first in the, when we traverse from right to left. So when we traverse from right to left, we have the E comes first, then the H. So among these two, so the root will be E. Now check E in the in order traversal. So E is over here. So now where is H? H is a on the left of the E. So H will be the left child of the E. H will be the left child of the E. So we done all the nodes on the left child of the A. Now let's move on and construct the for the right child of the A. So now for the right child of the E, what and all we are having? F, K, I and the C. So now check the in order post order traversal and check which will come first. So now C will comes first over there. So now C will be the root among F, K, I, C. So now if you take up the C over here, check the in order traversal. If I take up the C, so now I have FKI on the left of the C. So FKI will be the left child for the C. Among FKI, I need to decide which is the root. So now again you check the post order traversal. Among F, K and I, check which comes first from the right side. So F comes first, so F will be the root. Now F will be the root among them. So now what is left out? K and the I. So now on the K and the I, check the in order traversal. K and the I, they are on the right of the F. So K and the I, they will be the right child for the F. Now among K and the I need to decide which will be the root. Again you check the post order traversal. So in the post order traversal, so K and the I. So among them I is coming first, then the K. So K I will be the root and K will be the child. So I will be the root and K will be the child. So now we done with all the nodes. So this is our final resultant tree given in order and the post order traversal. So now let us do the pre-order traversal for it, and let us use the same thing for the reverse operation, that is constructing the tree given in order and the pre-order traversal. So as we remember, for the pre-order traversal, the sequence is, for the pre-order traversal, the sequence is, first we need to visit the root, then we need to go to the left child, then we need to go to the right child. Now let us solve the tree for it. So if we solve the tree for it, so first is the root, that is A. Then next will be the left, that is B. Again left, that is D. Then again left, I don't have the left, then I need to go to the right, that is G. Then next again left, that is the J. So now we done with the D. Now we need to go to the right child of the B. Right child of the B is E. Again the left child of the E, H. Again the left child of the H, I don't have the left and the right side. So I have done the both the children of the B, D and the E. Now go to the right child of the A. What is the right child of the A? C. Now take the left child of the A. So the after root we need to go to the left child. Then we need to go to the right child. So now after C, take the left child. The left child is F. Now you need to go to the left child. I don't have a left child, so I will go to the right child. The right child is I. Then the left child of the I is K. Now we visited all the nodes. So this is our pre-order traversal. So which we will continue for writing the constructing the tree for the given pre-order and the in-order traversal. So now let us rewrite the in-order traversal again. So this is our pre-order traversal. Let me write the in-order traversal again. The in-order traversal is a D, J, G, B, H, E, A, F, K, I and the C. So now in the post order traversal, the root was there on the end, so we scanned from right to left. But in case of in order traversal, we have the root on the left end, so the scanning will happen from left to right. There is a difference between the tree construction when we use in order post order and the in order pre order. In the in order post order, the post order to decide the route, we scan from right to left. That is from A to J we will scan. Right to left we will scan when we use the combination of in order and the post order. But when we use the in order and the pre-order, we scan from left to right since the root is there on the left side. In case of post order, root was there on the right side, so we scanned from root to, that is right to left. In case of pre-order, the root is there on the left side, so we scan from left to right. Let me remove the extra arrows what we have drawn. This is our pre-order traversal. So now, so in the pre-order traversal, the one which is there on our left hand will be the root of the tree. So now A is the root of the tree. Now mark A in the in-order traversal. So A is present over here. A is present over here. So now what is there on the left of the A? The one which is on the left of the A. Left of the A is a D, J, G, B, H and the E. The right of the A is a F, K, I and the C. So now again, so now among D, J, B, B, H, E, we need to decide the route. For deciding the route, again you check your pre-order traversal. So in the pre-order traversal, which comes first? Now this is done. A is done. Now it is the B. So now B is the root among them. Root among what? Root among D, J, G, B, H, E. So now mark B over here. So where is B? B is present over here. Now what is the left of the B? In the left of the B I have D, J, E, and on the right of the B I have H and the E. So now for the D, J, E, I need to decide which is the root among them. So now scan from left to right. So D will come first. So now D will be the root. Now mark D over here. So D in the in order is present over here. Now what is there on the right? J and the what we have? J and the E, G. J and the G. So J and the G are there on the right of the D. So for the D, the right children will have the J and the G. Now again you look at your pre-order traversal, which will come first among J and the G. So G is coming first. So now G will be the root among J and the G. So now look at your in order traversal. So now G is present over here. So now where is J? J is on the left of the G. So now J will be the left of the left child of the G. So now we have done this part. Now let us do the rest. In the rest of the part, H and the E. So now check your in order traversal for the H and the E. So now J done. So now E comes first. So now E will be our root. So E will be our root. So take E. So now where is H over here? So H is on the left of the E. H is on the left of the E. So H will be the left child of the E. To decide the left or the right child of the E, you need to look at the in order traversal. So now we have done the left children of the A. So now once we have done the left children of the A, now we'll move to the right children of the A. What is the right children of the A? F, K, I, C. And check which will come first. Which will come first? C will come first. So C will be our root. So now check C over here. For the C, F, K, I are there on the left side. So that is F, K, and the I, they are the left child for the C. So now again you check which will be the root among FKI. Among FKI, F is coming first, so F will be my root. Now the left out is K and I. You check K and I in the in order traversal. K and I are present on the right of the F. So now F will have the right child. So F will have the right child. So the right child will be the right child. F is the parent. On the right of the F, I have the in the in order traversal. In the in order among the F and the I, F is the F, K and the I have the F is it comes first. So F is the parent. The left out will be my K and the I. So K and I are there on the right of the F. So K and I will be connected. Now among the K and the I, we need to decide which will be the root. So now if we again take the pre-order traversal, I will come first, then the K. So I will be the root. So now again you need to decide whether the K is a left child or the right child. So now look at the in order traversal. Now you look at the I over here. So K is present on the left of the I. So K is the left child of the I. So now if we compare the trees. So now if you compare the trees, we are getting the similar tree. Same tree we are getting. That is given in order or the pre-order or given in a pre-order or the post-order traversal. So we can easily construct the trees. The post-order traversal for this tree will be, what is the sequence of the post-order traversal? Post-order traversal is first will be the left node, left child, the next will be the right child, The next will be the root. So that is first left child. I don't have the left child over here, but I have a right child. After right child, again it is the left child. It is the sequence goes like this. So now I don't have a left child. I don't have the right child. Then the root. The root is a J. Then next, right child I don't have. Then the root. Root is G. Then the left and the right done. Then the root. Root is my D. Now again the right child E. Then the left child H. I don't have the left, right. So then the root. Root is H. Then again I don't have the right. So the root is E. Then next left and the right done. Then the root is B. Now again we'll go to the right child, left child. Left child I don't have, but right child I have. Left child. Again I don't have the left child, right child. Then the root. That is K. Then the right I don't have. Then the root is I. Then the root is F. Then I don't have the right child. Then the root is C. Then the root is A. So this is the post order traversal. This is the post order traversal which you can compare with the one which is given. That is post order traversal is a J, G, D, H, E, B, K, I, F, C and the A. So this is how we construct the tree given an in order post order traversal or given an in order pre order traversal. We should be in a position to construct the trees. The references for this presentation are from the textbook Ellis Horowitz and Sarta Sayani, Fundamentals of Data Structures in C, 2nd edition, University Plus 2014, and Seymour Lipto's Data Structures from Sham Outline Series, revised 1st edition, Tata McGrail 2014. Thank you.